Hello everyone, and welcome to a new Systeme tutorial in which I'm going to show you how to send your affiliates their affiliate link so they can share your offer and earn commissions automatically. To do this, you need a Systeme account. If you don't have one yet, you can create one for free by clicking the link in the description. Also in the description, I've added access to my Systeme 2.0 launch kit. These are 4 ready-to-use systems to generate your first $1,000 per month. Everything is included: automation, email sequences, tutorials, templates. You just need to click the link in the description. So, let's get started. Ideally, when you want to promote your offer and have affiliates, the best thing to do is create a capture page where people can sign up if they want to become your affiliates. This way, you'll be able to assign them a tag, and this tag will allow you to communicate directly with those who have the affiliate tag and who will then promote your offer. The first thing to do is go to the CRM tab and click on Tags. Here, we simply click on the Create button and create a tag called Affiliate. Then I click Save. Now, I'll go to the site's Arrow Sales Funnels tab and create a new funnel. This will be my capture funnel, my opt-in page, to collect people interested in promoting my affiliate offers. I'll create an audience and click Save. Next, I open my funnel and choose a template I like. It doesn't matter too much here, I'll just pick the first one as an example. The goal is that once I have my page and have customized it as I want, by clicking on Edit and making the necessary changes, I then go into the automation rules and add a new rule. I'll select the trigger, which will be opt-in form subscribed. The first action will be to add a tag, in this case, the affiliate tag we just created, and the second action will be to send an email. That means that every time someone signs up on my page, where I explain the benefits of becoming my affiliate, they will automatically get tagged. This makes future communication easier, and above all, they will receive an email. In that email, I click on Create, and I'll directly give them their affiliate access. To make it easier, I just asked ChatGPT to generate me a sample email. For example, the subject line could be, "Welcome to my affiliate program," and in the email body, I'll give them their access. For those who don't know, let me quickly show you. In the email editor at the bottom, you'll see the substitution variables. If I click on the little arrow, a menu drops down, and here I can find information that, when selected, Systeme will automatically pull and insert into the email. That means each person who signs up on one of your opt-in pages will automatically get an affiliate tag. And this way, since they have their affiliate tag automatically assigned when registering, an affiliate ID will also be created for them. Looking at my email, I could write, "Hello, thank you for joining our affiliate program. Here is the important information to start promoting today. Your affiliate ID. No matter the formatting, for example, it shows in red, but I could easily change the color to blue to make it stand out more. The same applies to the affiliate dashboard link. That's the automatic link that takes them to the dashboard where they can check progress, commissions, and submit invoices to get paid. If you'd like, you can also send a custom link in your email. This way, the affiliate ID variable gets added automatically at the end of your chosen URL. Once you've finished your edits, don't forget to click Save and then save the rule. And that's it. Now, whenever someone registers on your opt-in page to become an affiliate, they will automatically receive their affiliate ID to attach to your URLs, the dashboard link, and even a promotional link that you want to highlight. Thanks again. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. See you next time for another tutorial.